Food Fusion is Pakistan's first YouTube channel to cross 1 billion views on YouTube in food category.
I've been seeing the creator ecosystem grow here in Pakistan, and as creators ourselves, we're so proud to be part of this. I'm Asad Memon, this is Saima. Together we are founders of Food Fusion, and our community calls us Mr. and Mrs. Food Fusion.
काफ़ी लोग हमें यहाँ पे जानते हैं, जो नहीं जानते हैं उनको मैं बताती चलूँ. Food Fusion is Pakistan's #1 quick recipe platform with 4.1 million subscribers, and this is Food Fusion is Pakistan's first YouTube channel to cross 1 billion views on YouTube in food category. Alhamdulillah, Food Fusion is a household name not just in Pakistan but among Desi diaspora around the world. So much so that our community, our fans calls us digital mom, digital Ammi.
Just imagine getting Mother's Day wishes every year, a YouTube channel. This has such a deep meaning for us. So why Food Fusion क्यों शुरू किया? Why did we start Food Fusion, a YouTube channel which is now a full-fledged business and a new age media company? Both me and Saima, we are business graduates and we are foodies at heart. We love cooking, we love experimenting with food, और कहते हैं ना हरकत करना खाने के साथ, वो हमें बहुत पसंद है. Whatever we cook, whatever we have in our mind, we don't find at restaurants. And ये जो हरकत है, this people call today fusion. Fusion that brought 4.1 million people together. So back when we were starting, we were at peak of our careers. And that was around the time when YouTube was resuming in Pakistan. Everyone was so skeptical that why are we quitting our highly paid jobs to start a YouTube channel? Our friends, our family, and even our parents. I still remember our parents telling us, "Beta, jao, acha kaam karo." All the best wishes, sari duaएं mili, and I could see it in their eyes. They had a big question in their mind, saying, "How are these kids going to make money from a platform like YouTube?" And here we are. So back then, there was a lot of, there was a huge gap in the market. In 2016, there's a huge gap in the market, and we understood that. No one was really willing to invest in it. And here, Asad and Saima were putting in all their life saving, every single rupee we had, into something that only we seem to believe in. We never had the patience to watch an hour-long show just to learn how to make a simple kadai. We watched a lot of international content, and there was so many great food creators out there, but we didn't find anything local. There was no local example, a relatable example. So naturally, we wanted to step in, and that for us was our sweet spot. In this whole process, we wanted to present Pakistan to the world. That was very, very important. We wanted to present Pakistan to the world. We didn't want to hide behind the internet and pretend that we're not from Pakistan. In fact, we wanted to say Food Fusion is proudly a Pakistani company creating international quality content for people around the world. So much so, we did an entire travel series in northern areas of Pakistan. We shot a lot of recipes and we dedicated those recipes to those areas. We invited our viewers to visit Pakistan, to come and see what great culture we have and what great food we have and what a beautiful country we have.
So you see how food is important in our lives. हर दिन का आगाज़ इस सवाल से होता है कि आज खाने में क्या पकाना है. दिन में एक दफ़ा नहीं, 3 दफ़ा. इसके अलावा चाहे कोई भी मौका हो, खुशी का हो, गम का हो, सवाल होगा खाने में क्या है. We wanted to create this platform to answer that question.
Yes, exactly. सारे ख्वाब देख लिए कि exactly क्या करना है, what do we have to do, but there was a big problem in our hand. The problem was that we didn't know where to start. There was no clue where to start. We didn't know how to shoot tabletop videos. We didn't know how to do the lighting. We never held a professional camera in our hand, never edited a video ever in our life. So naturally, YouTube to the rescue. I used to watch 3 hours a day for 3 months straight. I used to watch YouTube videos. After a lot of jugars later, Asad and Saima were ready to shoot their first food fusion video in a makeshift studio set up in their drawing room. And as they say, rest is history. Today, Alhamdulillah, Food Fusion is a household name. We today employ 20 full-time employees and 30 part-time employees. And our most important superpower is our community of 4.1 million people. Speaking of community, YouTube is an excellent platform to build communities, something that Food Fusion has excelled at doing. It's just like our studio. We don't have to think about what tools do we have. We just go and we shoot our video. We are completely tooled to do anything. So YouTube is just that for us. For creators, this is something that what gives meaning to what we do. It's extremely important. It's not just about building a follower base. It's about starting a movement.
Food Fusion, our movement was to reach Pakistani Desi communities around the world. We wanted to connect with them, and I'm so proud to tell you that ना सिर्फ हम अपनी community के साथ connected हैं, our community members are connected to each other as well. We receive hundreds of comments from them, sharing their success, their failures, and at the same time, they are helping their fellow members with their cooking problems. And it is so empowering to see how they uplift, motivate, and support each other on this platform.
This same community joined hands with us when we wanted to help the flood-affected people of 2022 floods. It was a devastating time. I was there myself on ground, and we could not sit idle and do nothing. So we were able to collect 8 million rupees, and we were able to reach 2,200 families with food, ration, medicine, mosquito nets, tents, and a lot of prayers. Deep down inside, it felt so good. Although completely unrelated to food, this is what makes us do what we do today. Besides this, a lot of small businesses are able to learn from our recipes and thrive. Brands have also shown interest in our content, not only our content, but the way we connect with our audience. Do you know that the most watched video on Food Fusion is a branded video? 11 million views and sponsored by Noor. Chicken fried rice. Who doesn't love chicken fried rice? We've created tons of sponsored content, collaborated with brands, shown them the real power of content creators. This is what I tell the brands. Stop selling your product and start showing them how to use it, and they will buy it. The Noor example is just one of hundreds of examples out there. It will be an understatement to say that YouTube has changed our lives. We were able to create a sustaining and a growing business because of YouTube. And today, a lot of lives depend on us. We are able to give back to the society. This, for us, is the true power of content creators and a platform like YouTube. Thank you very much.